So Rise of the Floodborn, like I say, I did buy a box, starter deck, and I opened a few packs previously. So we've got a decent chunk of these already. Just looking to bolster that really. I also bought one of these folders. So the foiled cards I just put in here at the time. It's worth pointing out that this is not big enough for a collection. You can probably get a deck, like a playing deck's worth in here, maybe like the 60 you would need to compete, but it's not massive, which is a bit of a shame really. So, Rise of the Floodborn. This was the second series. It came out last November. So you've got Rhea, the Beast, and the Queen of Hearts. Those are your three kind of cover stars, if you like, for these ones. Got quite an even split, which is kind of lucky. We've also already got 3 of these different designs for Minnie Mouse. So it's Mickey in the first season, Minnie Mouse in the second season. She's kind of like a scuba diver explorer type thing going on. Right, so I'm going to go through these kind of a pile at a time. I think it's going to be easiest. So it was the same again for these. When they first came out, they were really hard to get. They're pretty easy now. Like I say, Tesco were doing a deal to try and get rid of them. The third season as well, into the Inklands, it's not particularly hard to get them. And we're still waiting for the official release. They're still only kind of out in the hobby stores at the minute. Or as of this recording anyway. So we'll get rid of these. See if we've got the final one. Yes. So we've got all 4 of them as well, which is nice. Kind of a bit like that. Really cool. Happy about that. So let's have a look. So these are completely different cards. I don't think there's particularly a theme in. It's just a different set of heroes and villains and items and stuff like that. Different artwork. So we've got Panic, James, which is Tiana's dad, the Queen, Croquet Mallet, Peter Pan's dagger, Beast, Daisy Duck, Cogsworth, Gaston, Lady Tremaine. Wow, that's very cool. Evil Queen, and then we've got Grumpy as the fold out of that one. So Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Sword and Stone, Young Rhea, Ray, Benja, the Caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland, Last Stand, Minnie Mouse surfing, World's Greatest Criminal Mind, Tiana, that's pretty cool artwork as well, and then Cuzco as our foiled. So this one we've got Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Felicia, Queen of Hearts, Let the Storm Rage On, Robin Hood, Cheshire Cat, Blue Fairy, Prince John, Madam Mim, and that's that Peter Pan's dagger. We've seen that, but that's the foiled one for this one. So, Sleepy, Sword and Stone, Young Rare again, the Enchantress, a Porpsicle, Donald Duck as a scuba diver. So I think there is a bit more of a theme to this one, in terms of a different theme rather. So we're seeing a lot more Snow White and the Seven Dwarves. There's this kind of scuba going on with a couple of them. Right, carrying on. The Prince, Daisy Duck, Launch, Dragon Gem. Again, a lot of rare stuff in this one I've noticed. There you go, Noi. And there's that Donald Duck. Which is a bit weird. So I guess that just shows it's random, doesn't it? We've got the foiled and the standard card in the same pack. More Winnie the Pooh in these as well. So Piglet, Winnie the Pooh, Minnie Mouse on a scooter, Hypnotise, the Nook, Magic Broom, Punzel, Fang's crossbow, Card Soldiers, Ratigan, Kronk, and the Legend of the Sword in the Stone. I like the flames on that. Very cool. Right, so that's that set. So now we'll get into the Beast. Right, here we go. Gaston, Rabbit, Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Boone, Boone that was it, wasn't it? Boone, Hercules, doing his training, Bucky, Bashful, Cruella de Vil, love the villains, Winnie the Pooh, Arthur, again very cool, and that's that World's Greatest Criminal as an action card, but with the foil on there. So Nothing to Hide, Grumpy, I'm Stuck, Go the Distance, I think that's a slightly different Ratigan, Cinderella, Knight in Training, Cruella de Vil, Isma, Queen of Hearts, very cool. Goofy, now look at that one. We've got a 9 up here, 10 and 10 here. I'm going to have to find out exactly what these mean. Grandpappy, Pabby, and then a different Isma. There's our foil card. Get some light on that. There we go. Beautiful. Panic, Nothing to Hide again, Grumpy, Stuck, Go the Distance, Prince Naveen, Donald Duck, Merlin as a goat, Gaston, the Dinner Bell, Raya growing up there, and then that kind of thinking Winnie the Pooh again. Eudora, which is Tiana's mum, Cuzco, What Did You Call Me, that's Ratigan, isn't it? Improvise, Different Cruella, Prince Naveen, Pick a Fight, Ring the Bell, Hey Hey, Different, beautiful, Madam Mim, Cogsworth, in a pretty cool pose, and then Madam Mim again, different Madam Mim, but I think possibly one we've seen before. So we're getting a lot of Merlin as well. Sneezy, Fairy Godmother, Lady Tremaine, different Gaston, the Gumbo Pot, Beast, Gaston again, Sardine Can, different Mother Gothel, Lucifer, Isma, and the other Isma. So we've got full version of both of them cards. So let's get them out of the way. And that leads us to the last stack, which is rare. These. Alright, let's go. Popsicle, Painting the Roses red, different Facilier, Minnie Mouse on Scooter again, Panic, Beast, Lawrence, Bucky, Bashful, Sorcerer's Spellbook, Tuk Tuk, and Lawrence in the same pack again. It's the foiled. So, Painting the Roses red, Merlin is a crab, blue, Ray, nothing to hide, Tiana, Laura Beignets, Fairy Godmother, Zero to Hero, Most Diabolical Scheme, the Queen, another Beast, Mulan. Nice. So, Snow White, Elsa, Lady Tremaine, Verona, Jasmine, Benja, Mouse Armour, Belle reading the books, Nick Wilde selling his popsicles, Cobra Bubbles, really cool character, I love him, Arthur, and then a Cruella. Ratigan, Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Felicia, Magic Brooms, Sardine Can, Mother Gothel, Prince, Chief Bogo, another brilliant character, Lucifer, and then we've got the Prince again, but the foiled. So, Gaston, Gumbo Pot, Sleepy, Sword in the Stone, Young Raya, Prince Naveen, Pinocchio, Mother Gothel, Mouse Armour, different Cinderella, Pete, first time I've seen like a real classic Disney villain, like Mickey Mouse villain, and then Minnie Mouse on the Scooter is our foiled. So last pack, we've got Verona, Cruella, Sleepy, Merlin, Go the Distance, different Jafar, Isma, Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood, Sorcerer's Spellbook, Tuk Tuk, and then the foiled in that one is that Go the Distant action card. So that is all of the Rise of the Floodborn that I've got at the minute. Again, I'm going to go through them, sort of see where we're at. I've theoretically got enough cards to do the 240, but I don't think we'll have them all. So this is the latest one, the Into the Inklands. I didn't pick these myself, I just got handed them at the counter. So I've only got the Jafar and Minnie Mouse fronts, but I will try and get some more of these soon, and we'll get the third one, which I'll find out and put a picture over here somewhere. So let's get into these. I don't know much about these. So what have we got? Oh, there's a new rule. So this must be how they're issuing updates to the rules. That's right, because they put location cards into this series now. So season 3's got location cards. So again, like we were saying earlier, the season 3, it's got the little dot 3 at the bottom, and that's how we know this is season 3. So Eeyore, Stitch, really cool, we love Stitch. Milo Thatch. Alright, so this is a location card. Maleficent's Castle. Rufus. Oh. Neverland. Wildcat. Queen of Hearts. Last Ditch Effort. The Boss is on a Roll. Ursula just there. Another Tinkerbell. And then, oh, we've got a location. The Muckduck Manor. Really beautiful. So the Jafar cards, we'll get into them. Doesn't seem to be a picture to make for these ones. It's a bit strange. So let's get rid of these. Bit of a waste, kind of enjoying them little pictures, but there you go. So we've got Mickey Mouse, Stalwart Engineer, Billy Bones, Zazu, Lena Sabrewing. Saberwing, Lena Saberwing. McDuck Manor, we've seen that in our foiled. Patch, Dewey, good to see them in this. Dive Bomb, Little John, another Ariel, see a shark chasing her. Little John, and Boss's Orders, to see who that is. Can't really make that out, but yeah, Boss's Orders is the foiled one. Then we've got Razul, Jim Hawkins, Jetsam, Magic Carpet, Louis, Boss's Orders the normal one, Kit Cloud Kicker, Pluto, It Calls Me, which is Moana. Never seen this before. Aurorian, Gyro Sensor, Fang, it's our location card, and then we've got a Peter Pan as our foiled. So last pack, Eeyore, Agrabah, Zazu, Grandma Tala. Okay, so just Dalmatian Puppy. 99 puppies, there we go. The Bayou, Hydros, which is the Ice Titan, Pyros, Lava Titan, interestingly together. Genie, really cool. And then has my heart. So there, that's the latest ones that we've got. Only 4 packs of them, but not very many duplicates, so we're well on the way to getting a set of them. Right, so what I'm going to do is the next video, I'll have organised them all out. We'll be able to go through them. Sorry. So I'll have organised them. We'll go through them. We'll see what we've got for each series. We'll put them in the books, and we'll see where we're at. I'm going to Disney in a couple of weeks, so I want to try and get some signed if I can, which I think would be really cool. But yeah, that's where we're at for opening booster packs. So the next time you see us, we'll be doing sorting, organising. I'll do a little video with all the foils because they're really cool, and I'll go through again and I'll pick out my favourite artwork so far. We'll update the app, go through the little book, and yeah, we'll see where we're at with everything.